Greetings, folks. Joseph Kursky here with you to invite you to visit us at Esri at the American Association of Geographers annual meeting, Honolulu, Hawaii, April 2024. We will have a very large exhibit there that you can network with colleagues, learn about new data sets, new tools, new books, new geospatial technology, meet with colleagues, interact, let us know what your concerns are, your struggles, your challenges, and also your success stories. We'd love to interact with you at the conference. We love the AAG community. We also invite you to some of our education sessions and activities at AAG 2024. Ethics, as you can see here, there's no shortage of Esri-sponsored activities. I'm going to highlight a few of these things. We've got a lot of career mentoring events, panels, sessions, where we're going to share with you what it's like to work for a geospatial technology company, but also how to structure your resume, how to structure your own career pathway so that you are viable and learning and growing and moving forward in your career. GeoAI, the YPN is the Young Professional Network. We invite you to join that free organization. It's a very vibrant, wonderful community, and we will have sessions on YPN there at the conference as well. As you can see here, no shortage of technology-related teaching introductory GIS using ArcGIS Online, how and why to do that. I'm conducting that with a colleague, a teammate of mine. Cartography, ethics, climate, as you can see here, geospatial data science for sustainability. Just some wonderful sessions. And I know it's a struggle at any one of these wonderful conferences to figure out what am I going to attend and what can I attend online and what can I actually get as a recording. Rest assured, all of the resources that we are sharing, if you're not at the conference, we will be happy to share those. We're sponsoring the World Geography Bowl. My colleague and I are conducting a session on field data using Quick Capture, Survey 123, and field maps. Qualitative social science, my education director of our team, Angela Lee, and I are conducting that one. Qualitative social science research and teaching with GIS. Looking forward to that one. YPN, Young Professional Network, networking session, as I mentioned, also the World Geography Bowl. We're a happy and proud sponsor of that. There's not just workshops and panels from Esri staff, right? There's panels and sessions from lots of wonderful people all over the world at the AAG annual meeting. I invite you to visit us at the Esri exhibit, attend one or more of our panel sessions and workshops, and we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.